Religious organizations in Accra have climaxed the Easter festivities with picnic activities.
The gathering brought together families and friends to fraternize. It gives expression to the Christian culture of love and unity, which Christ stands for.
Church picnic activities are an ideal way for members of a congregation of all ages to get to know each other and to have fun. The Trinity United Church at Medina played host to its members as well as the general public to enjoy various dishes prepared by the church. There were also outdoor games including tennis, chess and other sporting disciplines for children.
We have also decided to bring together the church members after the whole program to exercise ourselves and to get together to find means of knowing ourselves better, even as we interact, and then we eat and then we play.
The Church of Pentecost, Medina District, also organized a football match and other sporting activities to climax the Easter celebration. Children were not left out. At the Open Heavens Temple of the International Central Gospel Church at East Legon, the children were already in exciting mood. Other members of the church engaged themselves with outdoor games. The premises of the Kaneshi Presbyterian Church held several sporting competitions for both the old and young. Aside the meals and refreshments, there were outdoor games like Ludo, cards and drafts. Other members had the chance to show their skills in volleyball.
On such occasions, it's not just the social aspect of it, but it's also the spiritual aspect of it. First, to affirm our communion one with each other, our relationship with each other, that we all belong to the kingdom of God. And that by coming together, we are making a declaration and a statement to the public of the unity of the church. Ampe,
well noted as a game for the young, was skillfully displayed by elderly women from the Adabraka Ascension Presby Church. The men also had a fair share of games suitable for them. The Adabraka Ascension Presby Church would climax the activities with a float to celebrate the resurrection of Jesus Christ.
It was all fun at the Action Chapel International along the Spinters Road in Accra. Everyone had a lot to eat and drink, and food vendors had a field day. The children were not left out of the Easter games such as train riding, swimming, bouncing castle, trampoline, horse riding, face painting and tag of peas. The Action Health team was also on standby to take care of any possible injuries. Children from the Nsahom branch of Action Chapel also came to join the merrymaking. A presentation was made to them for coming. Bishop Ebenezer Obudai of Action Chapel International spoke to the news team.
The Bible also says that bodily exercise or physical exercise profits little. So as people engage in external outdoor activity, they exercise their bodies. It's better than sitting at one place.
The chairperson of the church's planning committee, Mrs. Florence Ejapon, also spoke about the purpose of the gathering.
And the purpose of the Family Fun Day is that gives all our members, our branches, an opportunity to come together as a family, to fellowship, to have fun, to enjoy one another, which we probably don't get a chance to do throughout the year.
Andrea AJ also shared her joy with GBC 24.
I did a bouncing castle, I bought spring roll. I mean, everything was so special over here and I loved it.